One thing I'm gonna say about Trixie, Braxi. Okay, let's be silly. Okay, anyway, Bravo B got money today, got gifted today, 9K, halala, happy. What I can tell you, I think Brix or Brax, they'll be the first one to introduce. Hey, Nkulelwe, hey, sengizoba nengane, lili. I think to compare like Thandeka or Mmeli, but I think this one gonna be the first one to introduce umntwana to us. Anyway, what do you think about it, man?
Hi guys.
Thank you so much.
I'm live now, but I see.
And I have to read again that English very
I see. Alright. This is a microphone infringement warning. It's for your body. Yes. I did it. I'm live now, but I see. Alright. This is a microphone infringement warning. It's for your body. Hi guys.